What's going on? What's going on, Royal? I'm about to start getting into it right now. I'm about to see what today brings us. Alright, bet. So we got the open in about 4 minutes. So I'm gonna see if I can mark this up so I can get an idea on what I want to see happen in these next 4 minutes with this open. So I'm gonna mark up the previous day's highs and the previous day's lows. Previous day's high, then we got the previous day's low right down here. We'll just top. Then I'm gonna get the 12 a.m. open, which is going to be right in here at this doji. Then I'm going to get the Asian session. I got an indicator for it. Hopefully it's not messed up. All right, there we go. It's working. And now ideally, what am I looking at for to see happen? So I'm going to keep in mind a few areas in price. I'm going to keep in mind this previous day's high, previous day's low. I'm going to draw a fib from there and anticipate a potential pull. If it does want to potentially pull back, where is it likely going to pull back to? It looks like it wants to pull back to that, say, 38.25% level. But we also have this 38.20% level that it rejected before, and it's currently trying to push through. So we're going to see how price reacts after it cleared this high right here. In my opinion, I wouldn't want to see a major move from here. I want to see price potentially come a little bit higher because we do have that 500 level up here also. We have the 400 level right above where price currently is. We have the 300 level near the Asian session lows. Then we have 200 all the way below the previous day's low. It might not get hit, but if it does really start to drop, then that's definitely something that could potentially happen if price wants to clear this low right here to the left. But as of right now, what I want to see happen is I think price is going to continue to try to push higher.
Yo, hey bro.
Yeah.
Hello?
Yo, you hear me?
Hey, bro, my phone acted dumb. Look, I just want are you looking for longs or shorts?
I'm not looking for nothing right now. But ideally, I'm probably gonna look for shorts.
That's all I wanted to goddamn see.
Yeah.
Unless you go ahead and get back to that.
No, you good. Cause after how yesterday closed, I wouldn't ideally want to see nothing crazy bullish. It wouldn't make sense in my opinion. We're either probably gonna consolidate or slowly try to like have a retracement. In my opinion, we could make another candle like that, but what's the likelihood of that happening? In my opinion, I'm not really sure. So what I do think is going to happen, we might have a retracement, try to come up to fill in some of these fair value gaps. We have one all the way up here by 500. Then we have one right here by this fib 62% level right here. So we're going to see, in my opinion, what happens, but I do think price is going to have a push going towards the open. I don't know how long it's going to take, but as of right now, I'm not going to try to take any longs just because we're extended and we already had a retracement. So retraced into this order block already and had that continuation. So I'm not really sure. You know what I mean? The likelihood of going long looks like it already happened. The better opportunity setup.
Y'all fucking with them shorts hard, man.
Yeah, I could definitely see it. I'm gonna see how price plays out and everything. I ain't trying to force it. I took my L yesterday. Hasn't been the best week, so I ain't forcing nothing. But yeah, right now I'm kind of just chilling. I ain't really gonna look to force nothing. But it looks like we are having this reaction to the downside right here at the open. But we'll see. There's gonna be a lot of volatility coming into the market. Oh yeah, looks like it's trying to go a little bit higher. I'm gonna give it time though. I ain't looking to take nothing right now. I'm trying to think of ideas, places to enter. The 62% is definitely an entry. I say.
I feel like we've been in this 400 number for like the whole fucking week and a half for real.
Mm, kinda, yeah.
Every time I woke up in the morning, bro, I've been seeing 360 or 400. Like them numbers been fucking consolidating. Like
The past,
for a while.
yeah, it's because that's where the weekly high is. The previous week's high. Uh, but yeah, that's why it's been kind of reacting like that. It's been pushing away into it. Keeps missing it though. Like the past few days, prices just not been tapping my levels. I've just been like, damn, bro, it's only like 2 points. Forecast every day it's gonna rain.
Why is this fucking charger acting dumb, bro? I don't like people using my shit.
Nah, yeah, I never let people use my charges. That's why I got like 15. If they ask to use it at the crib, there's a whole other one. No brain. I'm gonna do my thing. But back. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna try to get in anywhere below the 70.50%. I might just try to wait for this first fair value gap on here because this is a fair value gap on the hour time frame, and I think that would be the valid entry with a. But then 500 is right there, so it's like a. We gonna see.
Oh yeah,
Or we can even get a move. Say that doesn't happen, and we run the liquidity of these London lows. We could have a potential reversal set up from there, but that's if it runs all these lows.
break even. Fuck that.
Who knew, bro? Every day's gonna rain.
32.7.
Pure cocaine. Oh yeah, we dropping right now. I'm about to see what happens. I'm about to check US 30 real quick. Where is it at? Come over here to US 30. I want to see what US 30 is doing. Yeah, US 30 is trying to push. Alright, it looks like we still may get that push to the top side then that I'm looking for. Yeah, we'll see. Good buy opportunities may be presenting themselves, but I'm not sure how I feel about buying. I'd wait for these lows to be ran through first, or maybe the Asian session low. But right now, I'm waiting for it to come up to this area right up here.
Hey man, I'm gonna see y'all boys at 13K, bro.
13K.
Oh God.
Maybe next week. Maybe next week.
I want the mega drop on a Friday, bro.
Yeah, I don't know about that big, but maybe next week for sure. It ain't too far.
Bro, I
Monday.
can't wait till next week. I need that bag today, bro. Like I gotta stick it to the
Shit.
weekend.
You better hop on that lower time frame.
Oh God.
Cause
Niggas
you're
be
going to
letting me
300,
do goddamn.
real shit. 13,000. Yeah, I don't know about that shit. It's possible for sure. Anything's possible, but you never know. If he wants to drop 300 points and just melt, shit, it's possible. Just better hold them shorts.
For real, cause I go. I'm still in sales from yesterday, bro. Up in like the low. So like, so I just wanted to stay there. So I just wanted to goddamn continue to go low.
No facts. Right now it's kind of consolidating. Not gonna lie. I'm waiting for it to push out these areas or something. Looks like it's giving good buy opportunity in my opinion. Part of me does want to look for buy, just because it would be a continuation of this London move. But I don't like how we already had a pullback. That's the one thing I'm not fucking with. Market only give what it gives. Do not expect nothing. Facts. When you expect stuff, that's when you get disappointed when it don't happen. If you don't expect nothing, can never be disappointed. That's how I look at it. That goes with everything too. Not even just trading.
That nigga told me don't have no expectations.
Yeah, that's facts though.
Oh shit. Nah, that's real though. I see. I know what you're talking about. I do know what you're
Shit,
talking about. Yeah.
that's with anything. People, family, money. Because when it don't happen, it's only gonna make you feel worse, and that's just sucks. That's why I try not to ever. I like if you ever notice with words I'd be saying when I talk about charts, I'll be like, think my thoughts, stuff like that. It's like I don't know it's gonna happen. It's just my process, what I would like to see happen in my thought process on trying to figure it out.
Nah, facts. Cause you already know this game got there. It's billionaires, millionaires, and
Hmm.
everybody trying to get to each other turns.
Like our power in this is very very low. They're up here, we're down here. Even like if we were to leverage our whole bank accounts, we still wouldn't be able to move this damn market.
If this should go to 385, I'm not touching that.
You said 385.
Yeah, 385. I'm just gonna take that and then I re-enter it. Like right here, then it's like I got my stop right.
Or you get in like
It's
at
not even
this
break even.
breaking of
It's
the
like
high.
it's like some type profit, but like it's kind of like right at the tip, but it ain't even going there. It keep rejecting.
Where you
But
got in is when you broke the high.
huh?
When it broke the high, that's where you got in.
Yeah, yeah. No, well, yeah, a little bit below it, like right at like 385.
Okay. Yeah, just keep it break even right now. Whatever happens, happens. So I'll just leave it. If it plays out, then it'll at least come to this low.
Yeah,
But
cause yesterday, bro, I got in sales and the market went up an extra like 70 point. I had stop loss at like 470, but I moved it because I was like, bro, I got a feeling it's gonna come back right there, and the shit went to like 500. I put my phone there, I put that shit back up, and it came down. I was like, bro,
nah,
hey
yes,
man,
yes, I was mad as shit yesterday, bro. I was mad as shit yesterday, bro. Kept getting stopped out. You know what's crazy? Where was it? I think it was on US 30. Look, wire right here. I was short right here.
let me hit this.
Matter of fact, where was it? I was
Huh?
short right in here. This is where I was short from this move on here on the lower time frame. Was it here? No, it definitely wasn't. It was somewhere in here, right? It came down.
Yeah.
It came down, missed my TP2 by 1 pip, right? I seen my TP2 get hit. I seen the numbers for a split second. This is when it hit it right here. Reversed, stopped me out, kept going. But mind you, what made me really mad about it is the whole entire move was from my TP to my entry. Like this was my TP. This was my entry right here. Then it did it again. That's how stopped me out, dude. This right by 1 pip. Crazy, right? Like if you were to watch the live stream yesterday, this whole entire move was my whole trade. Like to the point, to the point, to the point. Like it literally, the manipulation is crazy,
It is crazy. It is, dang. It is
bro. And
crazy.
I
Like
did that happened live,
like,
bro.
bro,
That happened live too. Like I can't really fake that.
I only see like I mean, bro, I seen it after the move, when you go back to it. But I'm like, bro, to my eyes, I seen a short setup. I'm like, I wouldn't. But then I was like, you like you said, like it's kind of like a mindset thing. Like you only looking for one thing, so you're not really
Mm-hmm.
seeing the other possibilities or the
Yeah.
other like how shit could play out. So I'm like, bro, shorts. I'm like, bro, why the shorts not playing out, bro? I see the candles. I'm like, bro, they respecting this area, but then they coming back like a reversal, but it's not a real bull move. I'm like, all right, bro. I don't want to lose this money because I was already a drawdown because I got it earlier. I been knew it was gonna spike up a little bit more, but I didn't know it was gonna spike up that much. So I'm on some shit like, you know what, bro? Like I don't feel like, saying? I'm gonna sit here and lose all my money. Then I'm like, I don't feel like I want to keep looking at the charts on some shit like, and then being like, like anxious. I have like a whole lot of anxiety because I'm like, bro, I had some locks there, bro. I was down like 1,200, bro. Ah,
Yeah.
shit. So, bro, all I know is, bro, I looked at my shit. That shit went back down an inch. I said, bet. Then it went back up again. I said, oh shit. Then it
Yeah,
went back to my like
it's
twenty.
it's real
Then it went
emotional.
back
So
to like
you gotta learn just to like kind of
So I
not
said, bet.
care.
But if it come back down one more time, bro, I'm getting out. But this time when it came back down, it blew past my entry. So I was like, cool, I'm gonna just hold this bitch. I thought it was gonna go all the way to 13K. It came
Yeah,
back down to 580.
sometimes you get lucky and stuff, but a lot of this, especially if you take the same type of trades, you don't have a lot of the same stuff happen to you over time. It's just what it is.
But I be, but look though, I would have been cool off the play that you had called like, was it Monday or Tuesday? It was a 13K retest.
The one where we had the drop.
Yeah, bro, niggas had bought, and I real look.
Oh,
Listen, when I
this down move, then the push.
yeah, all the way down there, and then last
That
minute
shit is
buy.
beautiful. I called the
That
whole
shit was
move. That's what.
beautiful, bro. Cause I woke up, gang. I woke up late as hell. I'm like, cause I'm already knowing like the way I be trading. I be like, bro, I'm gonna make $1,000. If I make $1,000, anything else is extra. But like, I want to make $1,000. Nigga, I
Hmm.
woke up, bro. I seen 3 bands, bro. I said, yo, this nigga just blessed me for the week. I ain't gotta do nothing, gang. Like everything I'm doing now is just extra greasy,
Yeah,
bro.
that's why it's important to always just look at the higher time frame because intraday that's gonna be what we're actually trading, but we got to know where we're likely to go on the higher time frame so that when you take a trade or you have a trade bias, you match it with what you think is gonna happen on there. And sometimes you're gonna be wrong, but when you're right and you can predict it like this, look at the likelihood. Remember, I said I want to see early on in the week just have a drop, then maybe around Wednesday, Thursday have a reversal. It didn't happen that early. It happened way earlier than I expected, but the same move ideally happened. And then look, remember the target up here?
Say it
Look,
again.
remember the target I had all the way up here?
Target on where?
The target up is my mic good?
My fault, goddamn. You talking about from the outlet,
Yeah, I'm like,
outlet
yeah.
trade?
Remember, I think I put it in the chat too. Remember this high that I have up here that I was targeting? Look at that.
My phone dropped in some water, bro. So like my shit like very low right now.
Can you hear me? Walt, or you hear me? Because Panda said like I sound like a robot, or maybe is it him?
Kinda, but like I figured it was my phone or some shit, cause like my
Here, let me
shit,
see.
it just dropped the water, everything low on my shit.
Let me try some.
He said news at 20. When news come out today? I ain't even look at the fucking calendar. What time is it? 10 o'clock. Oh, 10 o'clock news. Consumer sentiment. Consumer sentiment. Consumer. Oh yeah, that's gonna move it. Anything with some consumers, that's good. Oh, it's Friday. Then we got the weekend. I'm fucking ready. I need to get up out of bed. No cat. Yeah, I can hear you a little better for real. Yeah, that sounds better. It's still low on my part, but it's more clear. No cat, cause I feel like for real, bro. Like if I would have just been like on some real chill shit, that this would have just been the only player that niggas really needed, cause it's still going up. It's 13.46. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah, I might have closed the rest of these sales out. Hey, you know what, bro? I think I'm about to get off this Zoom shit. I got to call my friend real quick. Yeah, gang, like shit. Drop that, whatever you gonna trade it and check. Cause I close out my trade, so I'm gonna just play off your play today. Yeah, goddamn. If you don't got that, cause I ain't too much tripping off finding no trades today. But if you do, I'm gonna look at it and shit. Cause like I said, goddamn, you kind of blessed. So I'm doing like shit. You blessed again, goddamn, for the weekend. That'd be smooth. Hell now, I thought I gave you the lighter. That's what I'm saying. You gave it to me, and then I let Keita have it. And I got it. I'm gonna put a fucking lock on the light. Okay.
Yeah, I'm not sure why my mic was off right there, but yeah, we just doing the same thing, same analysis as of right now. We gonna see. We gonna see. It's been a pretty slow morning so far, but I ain't looking to force nothing. So if nothing happens, nothing happens. The day that we don't risk nothing is a good day. Oh yeah, back into the consolidation. Right now, we're just kind of going slow. I'm trying to see what is likely to happen right now based off this move. It looks like we're trying to go bearish, but did we already have a retracement from this high? Not from this new high. We'll see. I'm gonna see how price reacts after if we clear this London low. That's something I want to see happen if we aren't able to get this push to the top side. I think if we break this London low, we might have a chance to potentially have that continuation back up here, and then maybe this kind of stay in this range. But based off this and clearing that weekly high again, it does look like it wants to come lower. But I can't justify me taking any sells right now. I would want to wait for at least 450 to 500. Yeah, it's kind of slow right now, my boys. I sold at 13,375. Where's 375? As soon as I get 50 pips in profit, I'm moving stop loss to break even. I sold at 375. Okay, my broker might be different from you, but here I'm gonna try to see how it would look. So 375. What's your stop loss? You said 50 points is when you're gonna break even, so I'm assuming 50 points is your stop loss. It could definitely happen if we don't run those highs. If we target those London lows, be careful though, because it's a risk reward. But that your entry might be a little bit higher, like I said, because our brokers aren't the same. But if this does play out, I would definitely target the London lows, Asian session lows, and the previous day's low for a target, and that would be the ideal trade that you would want. But if you are risking 50 points, just be mindful that the ranges aren't going to be huge. But as long as you keep your risk managed, then you should be good. But in my opinion, if we are bearish and we're not going to have this pullback, we shouldn't go any higher than this high, and you should be good. But if we are going to reach for these highs, more than likely that's going to get pushed through. Don't know when, but that's what I think is going to happen. Mm, mm. Something going on with Mike again. Hold on. I don't know why. Are you sure it's me, bro? Hello, hello. Hold on. I'm about to try to join the Zoom on my phone, maybe. Mic sounds static. Hold on. Is it on YouTube too? I don't know. Hold on. I'm about to try to join the Zoom. Yo, 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 yo. It don't sound that bad. Oh, wait, no. That's this. Yo, yo. Yo, 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 yo. It don't sound that bad, bon boys. It might be you. Maybe the internet. Does it? No. Let me see. Let me keep talking. It doesn't sound. Oh, it has like that. Okay, I see. Hold on. Is it gonna sound better now? I'm gonna just keep on talking. Maybe it's gonna sound better. Okay. That might be the problem. I think I fixed it. All right, I think that's cool. If it does it again, just let me know. I think it should sound better now. If anything, just let me know. Yeah, right now it's just moving slow. Not gonna lie to y'all. Moving real slow. We got news in 5, so we're gonna see. That might be what makes this move happen. turn. Patience is key. This is a slow day, my boys. Not gonna lie to you. This is slow as hell. But we here, we getting this chart time, we watching it go down. We getting better slowly. My friend's sleeping in the background. Still not up. My boy's slacking. But yeah, what's going on, boys? What's going on, my boys? We got about Mike's son got to smoke a blunt and work out. Nah, no cap, bro. I'm working out after this. I'm waiting for me to get done training for him to wake up. Then I'm going to the gym. Probably gonna go to the pool. I recorded the podcast yesterday, so I gotta finish editing that. So I'm gonna try to get the podcast out by, I say, Sunday, Monday, maybe Saturday. Depends how much work I put in. But it's gonna take me a while to edit because it was the first one. I'm gonna have a lot of cuts and everything, but all good things take time. Good quality, good mic quality. I'm gonna just have to make the video quality, the actual like final final version of this, just the best quality I can make it. So that's what I'm doing right now. And it's Friday. I'm trying to get a good trade. Took my L yesterday, but I'm trying to make it back if I can get a trade today. So that's what I'm aiming for right now. But I ain't gonna take a trade if I don't need to. Alright. Getting slowly that push. There we go. Slowly but surely. No pullback, kind of. It's just been wicks, no major pullbacks. Oh, we got a drop at the open. Not the open, but at 10. I don't know. Part of me does want to think about going at short now since it is 10 and at this high. I mean, I don't think low key doesn't look like it wants to go higher, but it is the type of thing where, like I said, I'm not trying to force a trade that's going to be unnecessary. But if this keeps dropping like this, then more than likely, I won't take a trade. Yeah, US30 left the gap. Well, they both left the gap. Depends what broker you're looking at, though. I'm gonna see how we react after we clear this low. I'm gonna see if we can get a potential reversal. Probably with about a 30-point stop loss, I say. That's the ideal, in my opinion. But I'm gonna see how we react at that low. This low all the way down here. We'll see how we react at it. And if we just keep dropping, then I'll be done for the day. But right now, price is just real consolidated, man. Yeah, it's just playing up and down right now. No, US 30's falling. Nas, I'm still waiting for it to come clear these London lows. Yeah, we're just playing around right now. Nothing really is happening. It's just a lot of volatility. It's just chopping people up. Could go either way right now, in my opinion. And you got the 50% of the Asian range right there also. I'm just waiting to see what's gonna happen as of right now. US 30 had the retracement I wanted to see on Nas. Cleared low, ran right through it. That's what I'm waiting to happen. Clear this low, tap me in, and then you can go higher if you want to. But if I don't get this entry for a potential buy, then I'm not looking for any other buy. This would be the only one I would wait for. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Yeah, we had the news though. I'm trying to see what the news ended up being. Doesn't say yet. I'm gonna have to give it some time. Yeah, right now we're not really doing much. Not gonna lie to y'all. It's just patience sometimes. Not really much for me to talk about to y'all. It's just let's see what happens. Mm-mm-mm-mm. My phone on do not disturb. I'm not getting no notifications, bro. Slow day, man. Slow day. We're not going nowhere. Oh my lord. Jeez. We're not moving. Just in this consolidation. We're holding this area crazy. Like, it's making me believe it's really gonna just try to push up at this point. Yeah, don't look like we're gonna clear them lows. Yeah, there it goes, just pushing. Or is it gonna be another fake push and then back into consolidation? Who knows? But right now, it's looking like I might not take a trade. Back into consolidation. I'm trying to wait to clear these lows. Is this valid SMT in your opinion? Smart. I'm not even really sure with SMC. SMC is not really like divergence and everything's not really something I personally study like that. So I'm not probably the best person to ask if it's valid. To be honest with you, I wouldn't be able to give you a valid answer. I'll just stick to what I know. Yeah, there we go. We're pushing. Yeah, US30 gave the better opportunity. It came down to 33,400, retested 62% in the Asian session high. We've been retesting the Asian session high too, but the only reason I didn't want to go long over here is just because we had already had this retest and I wasn't sure if this was going to hold. But hey, we'll see it did. We'll see how we react when we come into this fair value gap, but as of right now, everything's looking like it's going to be pretty bullish right now. Mm-hmm. part of me wants to take this short up here at the fair value gap, 62%. What I say, I want to try a 30-point stop loss, but I might have to risk a little bit less on this setup just in case. But ideally, something like this would have been my ideal setup. Even if I put it to 50, I wouldn't put 50 just because it's going to go to that 300 level regardless, and I'd rather get out early with this trade so I can then reevaluate. But at that point, if it goes to 500, I don't know how I feel about a retracement. I'm not going to lie. But we're going to see. Or maybe even right at the order block. I don't know. This general area, you got the idea on what I'm looking for. Slow day, my boys. Patience, man. Damn, that's falling again. US30. Yeah, right now it's not looking like it's gonna be a trade. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's not really looking ideal. Mm. Cleared this high. Reacted in a specific way. Could even try to go short. What time is it? 10:15. I don't know. Part of me does want to go short. What I'm gonna do is, since everything's doing what it's doing, I do want to go short because if you look at US32, everything's pointing short. The only thing is this fair value gap and everything is right there. So what is the likelihood of it going short and not pushing? I'm gonna wait for a down candle if I'm gonna go short. I might miss it, but what's the 1 minute looking like? 1 minute doesn't look too promising. I'm gonna wait. So mm, 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 mm. Oh, there it goes. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this short. 30 points. If I get stopped out, then this trade isn't gonna play out. Simple as that. And I'm just gonna call it a day after that. I'll just leave it. But I think a 30-point stop is valid enough. 408. My stop's gonna be 38. Gives it enough room because I don't want to see it keep pushing for this high. If it does, it's going to reach for the fair value gap, and I'd rather be out than in the trade at that point. So we'll see. Could be a risky trade idea. It definitely is risky, but like I said, when you take these reversal setups, you have to put less risk on them. Simple as that. What's that 1 minute looking like? Not over there. I don't like how it's starting to look. I'm gonna see how we react with this high. I don't want to see us go past this high because this is the high that we reversed at, and I want to see us stay below 400. So if we don't show the likelihood of maintaining bearish momentum, I'll just call it a day, bro. Yeah, looking like I might want to push now. It's probably gonna come from them fair value gaps, but in my opinion, I'm probably not gonna take another trade. I don't see the point. Market's price is just kind of extending and pushing and pushing. At this point, there's no saying whether we're gonna have a retracement or anything anytime soon. So if this does stop me out, then I'll probably just be done. And that's what it's looking like as of right now. Damn, I'm just mad US30 had the move I wanted to say. Nas, man. Always doing something. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, I like how it reacts at this high. It's just my stop losses. Anything more though, I wouldn't make sense of. I'm not trying to catch these big stop loss. Yeah, part of me just wants to exit this trade. Not gonna lie to you before it stops me out because it's not looking like it's gonna play out. It's just you gotta know when to cut your losses short. I've already had a bad week as is, so I'm not. I know when my trade ideas are gonna more likely play out, and this is one of them. Looked good at the time, but like I said, I probably should have waited for the closing candle. That was my bad. You gotta know when you're wrong though. Yeah, I just got stopped out. Yeah, I'm dead here, bro. It is what it is. I'm taking my Here, let me get the screenshot of that. I'm done for the week. It's cool. We'll probably get the short opportunity up here somewhere, but at this point, I'm cooling. Market's not performing how I would ideally take trades, so it is what it is. I'll be back next week, as always, so